How to attach a file in Gmail on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Gmail application on your phone. On this page, you can view all your emails on Google. Go to the bottom right corner and tap on the Compose button as shown. You can compose a new mail from here. Here, add in the name of the person you want to mail to. And then, type in the subject. For example, Demo. Tap on the attachment icon at the top as shown. Here, select Files. You can now choose files from here to attach it to your email. Select the file you want and then tap on Open at the top right corner. You have now successfully attached this file to your email. After that, tap on the arrow button at the top right to send the email. Following these steps, you can easily attach a file in Gmail on iPhone.